Hi there, would you like to keep up to date with real-time Jira Data Center information direct to your Google Chat Spaces? If so, Google Chat for Jira Data Center by MoveWork may just be the app for you. The setup is fairly straightforward and intuitive. Install the app and go to the configuration to create a new notification. Specify what events you want to be notified about. Specify which projects you want to be included or excluded. Use the filters to manage and limit the notifications you receive. Configure what information is shown on the notification card. If you just want to receive notifications about the actions occurring without all the specifics, that's an option. By using threads, you can bundle all the notifications associated with an issue together rather than receiving a wall of notifications, as shown here. To specify where you want to receive the notifications, grab the incoming webhook URL from your Google Spaces channel. Paste it in. The last step is to provide a suitable name. And just like that, your notifications are now configured. You can try it for free from the Atlassian Marketplace and see how it can help you move work forward. And if there's any features or enhancements you'd like to see, let us know at support@moveworkforward.com, as we're always open to ways we can improve. And if you like this app, check out Google Chat integration for Confluence Data Center by MoveWork Forward. Thanks.